do your own for you tonight. Mama, Ewajeritino.
Praise the Lord. Orúkọ mi ni Tẹ́ẹ̀bá Ọlẹ́gbọ́n. Mo wá láti ìlú Ìlọ̀ràngún. Mo gbé ìṣòro ikọ́ láti bí oṣù keje. Mo gbé wá sí DCK lọ́jọ́ ti tàná. Nígbà tí bàbá wa ní Olúwa ní ká gbọ́wọ́ lébi tí ó bá jẹ́ ìṣòro ayé wa. Bí mo ṣe gbé ọwọ́ yẹn sí àyà mi báyìí tí mo sì na ọwọ́ kan sí òkè. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo wú ikọ́ yẹn jáde. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sì pọ̀ gbogbo ohun tí ó wà ní ọkàn mi jáde. Bí ìṣòro náà ṣe pòórá nìyẹn o. Mo sùn mọ́jú, wọ́n ní ẹja ńlá kan ti gbé ẹja tó kéré mì.
Praise the Lord. Let me summarize the testimony of her sister. She had a very bad cough. But last night, immediately after the prayers, the Lord caused her to cough the problem out. And right on this ground, the cough ended. Over the night, she had a dream, and in the dream, she had the message: the big fish had swallowed the small fish. Praise the Lord. Tonight, you will be the next miracle we give her.
Put your hands together. You can do better than that. Somebody there will be the next testifier.